want you to know the best part of me. I want you to feel my heart and life's harmony. Even I know sometimes it's hard to see that I'm nothing without you.
Please remember that you come here to swear before God you will take each other as husband and wife, and that each of you is God's gift.
You were the one who really knew me. I said it was wrong, it still felt right to me. I was afraid that you would one day leave, 'cause I'm nothing without you. And I can't breathe without you.
Antayin niya ako doon. Magantay lang siya sa simbahan. Darat niya.
Sa araw na ito, Jeneline, ang nag-iisang lalaki sa buhay na ipipinigay sa ng Diyos ay si Gerson.
Still on my mind.
Ay, huwag kasi nakakagabi!
I said I could no longer hide, 'cause I'm nothing without you. And I can't breathe without you.
Sabi nila, swerte daw tong wallet na niririgalo, kaya ito ibibigay ko sa'yo. Para mas swerten ka. I love you.
Ay, isa may ano yan. Kama ko lang. Galit ko ulit kanina. Ibig ko lang.
Even I know sometimes it's hard to see that I'm nothing without you.
Ito na talaga ang ano natin, ang pinaka-inaasam na araw, our wedding day. Alam natin sa isa't isa na pinapangarap natin to. Ito na nga, wala nang makakapigil. Our big day. Wallet!
Won't you take me home?
Sa araw din ito, Gerson, ang nag-iisang babae na binigay sa iyo ng Diyos. Ang pangalan niya ay si Jeneline.
Words to say that I'm nothing without you. And I can't breathe without you.
Remember also that married life is never a bed of roses. The secret to married life is the ability to sacrifice for the sake of the family. And third point, There will be troubles in married life. But if you have God, you open space for God in your married life, things would be easy.
From this day onwards, mag-aasawa na tayo, kakasal na tayo. So, ay lagi kong pinipray na sa pagsasama natin na ang Panginoong Diyos na sa taas ay lagi na mamagitan sa ating dalawa. Na kung ano mga problema, ano mga pagsubok, ano mga trials na may encounter natin, kakayanin natin. Basta nandyan lang siya sa gitna.
Gerson, do you take Jenny lend her present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Though after nitong wedding, magkakahiwalay pa rin tayo kasi babalik ka sa Tokyo, ako naman babalik sa Riyadh. Pero konting taste na lang kasi magsasama din tayo. I love you so much and God bless us both.